This is Pankajj Singh here. Today in this training, I'm gonna talk about what is affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, then in simple way, I will try to explain that what is affiliate marketing. So here I want you to imagine that I own a coffee shop, but instead of spending money on advertising, what I do, I decide to pay people a commission for every customer they bring in. And here I got to know that you are the coffee lover with a big social media following. And you came to my shop, and here I talk to you that you are having big social media following and you are the coffee lover. Then I make a deal with you. And here in the deal, what I do, I say to you that, hey, I'll give you a special referral card or an affiliate link, and I tell you that if you bring customer to my shop and they use your referral card, then I will pay you $5 for every customer. So here what you do, you say that okay, that's great deal. Then you go and you start posting pictures of your coffee, that you are having coffee, and you start writing about how amazing it tastes, and even you start making short videos about your coffee experiences. And with your pictures, with your videos, people get to know that you are, you can say, you are having this coffee and it is very tasty and all that. Then people get curious, they ask that where is the coffee shop, and you give the address, that okay, here is the address and this is my referral code, and if you use this referral code you will get discount and all that, right? So people come, they visit my shop, and they use your referral card, and every time when someone buys coffee through your referral or through your referral link, you earn $5 commission without ever making the coffee yourself. How does it sound to you? Great. So in the same manner, in our online industry, what you do, instead of promoting a coffee shop, you promote digital courses, software, or products using a special affiliate link in your niche. Don't worry if you don't know what I'm talking about, that what is niche. Niche is, you can say, area where you have passion, where you have interest, right? And you start promoting out of three market: health, wealth, and relationship. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a fixed commission without creating the product, handling the customers, or dealing with shipping. Here everything is taken care by the product owner, whom product that you are promoting as an affiliate marketing. And this we call affiliate marketing, right? So now you know what is affiliate marketing. And yes, if you have any questions down below, you can ask your question and I will answer to your question, right? So that's it for this training. I'll see you in the next training.